What do we do with all our tires? Here on our homestead, we grow potatoes and tires. I'm going to spread these tires out and start getting them planted. Feels like summer and my tire garden is back. So let's talk a little bit about why you might want to grow something in tires. Well, first of all, I can hear the criticism of tires are going to leach nasty chemicals into my food. Now, there is some worry, but I don't think the worry is any worse than any other planter pot that you might use. The reason why is that you basically have to burn tires to get the nasty stuff out of them. If you're not actually burning them, they're basically inert. Now to go through the reasons why it's awesome to grow stuff in tires. First of all, they're black, so they collect all that heat and keep your plants nice and warm. And up here in Alaska, that is important. Second of all, if I tip one of these tires up, you'll see it slosh. And that's because they hold a whole lot of water in the lower rim. And that means you have to water them a lot less. I still mulch the heck out of them, but tires are the best planter pot you can imagine. Off to get these tires mulched with straw. A nice trick to know about growing potatoes is, when in doubt, mulch. So I'm off to get some dirt. I'll show you how to fully prepare a tire for planting. So I first put down a layer of straw. Now I'm going to take dirt. This dirt is left over from last year when I was growing other stuff. I'm just going to mix it in over the top. My dirt pile's not yet fully thawed, so I'm having to use old potting soil to be able to make this work. Mix that in. Now, with potatoes, when in doubt, mulch. So mulch away some more. There's lots of layers. And then I'm going to add some hay and rabbit manure. Now, potatoes don't like that much nitrogen, it makes them scabby, but a little bit of it's not going to hurt them, and I have a lot of it to use and a lot less dirt available. Also provides some good mulch because there's some hay mixed in there. Potato tires, you can use about 1 part rabbit manure, 1 part dirt, and 2 parts straw. This tire is ready for planting. I'll go get the rest of them done. I've got all the tires ready to put potatoes in. So I've got my seed potatoes here. I'm going to be planting the Alaskan frost potatoes, which are these kind of purplish ones, in most of the tires here. So I'll get those separated out. Okay. So a potato like this that has multiple eyes, I'm going to cut up so it's got one eye per chunk. I've got 32 of these Alaskan frost potatoes, or eyes from Alaskan frost potatoes. I'm going to grow 2 of these Alaskan frost potatoes per tire. I'm hoping that the fact that these really started to grow will mean that they will sprout out multiple plants per tire. Alaskan frost potatoes are extremely frost hardy. I'm putting the last one in the ground. So I've got this set of potato tires planted. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out our farm store in the description.